Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to prepare an off-page code with GDPR and key value pairs. So here's our sample script for off-page GDPR. So you're going to put your domain name here, your privacy policy URL, and then of course you will have to upload or host your logo in your root domain and put the URL here. And then here will be your header bidding script or the header script that will be provided to you by MonetizeMore account manager. And then here you're going to replace this with your actual or real Google Analytics tracking code, and here as well. And the only difference, and by the way guys, please check out our video on how to set up GDPR for off-page publishers, and all these are explained in there in detail. Now, the only addition to this basic GDPR off-page code is this lines here, 17 and 18. So if you are going to implement a single set of key value pair, you have to deploy these two lines right here and replace this with the actual key and the actual value that you have in your DFP or ad manager account. How does that work? So let's say, for example, you have a key value that says category, and then the value is art, comics, funny. So you will have to copy that exactly because this has to match whatever you have in your ad manager account. Oops, that. And there you go. So we can go ahead and try to see if this works. We're going to save this as an HTML file. So we open a notepad, save, and you can call it anything you want. Let's say this is just test, and make sure you have the extension .html. And we'll just save it on desktop, save, and use HTML. Alrighty. Now we'll go ahead and open that file, okay, and it's right here. And now we'll do inspect, open the console, and let's see if it works. Type m2hb.kvps, oops, and there you go. So it says KVP, or key is category, and arts, comics, funny for the value. Now we'll also verify if the GDPR code is working by appending the URL with, so this is still the HTML file that we saved earlier. So pg_GDPR equals emulate-eu, and that works right there. So in order for us to make sure, let's go inspect, click on network, and let's try to refresh. And there it is. So when you click on Let's Go, it loads your Google Analytics and the rest of the codes that you have. So both codes are working, both the GDPR and your KVP. So what you need to do is, of course, have this deployed within the header section of your site. And the rest of the codes that you need to deploy will be, of course, provided to you by your MonetizeMore account manager.
That concludes our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on our latest videos. See you next time!